So you're wondering, how do you make your phone number or the customer's phone number here required or compulsory during checkout? Well, there is a setting here that you could change. Now, first things first is you want to go to Shopify.com, just log in into your account and access the store that you want to change the settings for or the checkout settings for. And you want to go to your settings at the bottom left here. Let's go and click on settings. Now, under settings, you want to go ahead and access the checkout section here. So let's go and access this one. And you want to go and scroll down a bit here. Now, you should see the customer information section. Now, in here, this should include full name, company name, address line, and also shipping address, phone number. Now, for shipping address and phone number, you want to set this to required. Now, by default, it's going to be set as don't include. Now, also optional is going to be added in here, but let's go and choose required. So every time someone or a customer tries checking out in here, the following information that includes the shipping address and also the phone number will be required in order for them to proceed with checkout. But let's go and click on save at the very top here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.